how's it going? Al Lunacy here. Today I have my first repair video for the Camp Chef Woodwind Pro. As you can see here, we had the smoke box removed here. So the other day I was cleaning out the Camp Chef, took out the smoke box, and as I pulled it out, I heard a little crack on the handle. And so let me show you here what happened. And so this piece here is what goes into the handle here. And I guess this handle, there's a smoke box. This handle starts to get brittle, I guess the components inside here, as more and more heat the plastic within the screws here. It gets brittle, and I guess that's the reason for the crack. Now these screws, they go on the other side of the smoke box, and here's the installation. You can see, and this is where the handle goes. So basically, I would have to find another cabinet type handle to fit this, because this is totally cracked. I reached out to the Camp Chef people, they haven't responded yet, but I'm gonna cook this weekend, so I need a quick fix. So I'm gonna show you guys what we're gonna do. I was able to get some of these cabinet knobs here, and we're gonna see how they'll fit. You know, I guess they're gonna have two, so at least something that I can work with to cook today. So let me put them on. I'll show you how exactly they fit once I get them installed, or at least when I get one installed. Now real quick, here is the smoke box standing on the smoke box portion on the bottom. We're gonna put the screw underneath there, and then should come out on the top, and we'll screw the knob on top. And these are the original screws from the Camp Chef, so they'll work with these. I'll give you the exact part number if you guys want to do this, but yeah, let me get that in. Installed them and just realized they're both they don't match, so it looks actually pretty cool. I think I'm gonna go back and get the other one of these, because that one looks a little bit just too fancy pantsy. Okay guys, so there it is, the smoke box made to work. And I guess I'll be using gloves. I was using gloves anyway, you know, but I think it looks a little more tougher. What do you guys think? Let me know. Just for FYI, you will have some of these, the screws left over if you use the original ones, which is a plus, because you can always go back and use this one. It's long enough to be used in the smoke box if the original ones don't work. But that's it, guys. Hope this helps anyone out there that ran into the same problem I did. See you guys on the next one.